Guys, tumataas ba yung construction cost every year? Yan ang pag-usapan natin.
Guys, nagprint ako ng tatlong brackets namin for the past 3 years. Guys, yung data ay kay Novcon lang. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea kung magkano yung average increase every year. So 3 years ago, guys, 27,500 ito yung bestseller namin, itong elegant finish. Tapos, 30,500 na siya. Then, yung pinaka-current namin is 33,500 pesos na siya.
Example lang, meron kang 200 square meters na ipapagawang bahay. Years ago, 5.5 million pesos lang yun. Then a year after, same square meters pa rin ha, same laki lang ng bahay, magiging 6.1 million pesos na yun. Sa current price namin, magiging 6.7 million pesos na yun. This year, 2023 to ha. So guys, in 3 years time, nag-increase ito ng 1.2 million sa loob ng 3 taon. So in total, meron tayong 22% sa loob ng 3 taon and 7.3% increase every year. Average ito ng 400,000 increase every year again sa